Welcome back to the shop, guys. Not much going on today. We're gonna do a carburetor and clean up this tiller for my mom, get it back running shape, and that's pretty much it. It's the weekend, guys. Not a whole lot going on. Monday will be a different story. Tomorrow I'm going kayaking. So anyway, guys, let's get started.
Will you have stuff to do it with?
I have a gasket material.
That's what she thought you said you didn't have.
I'm wondering if I should pull the cylinder head off or not. I don't know if I have a gasket. I should. I have a bunch of gaskets over there.
Yeah, I'll bend over. I mean, it's up to you. She's just hoping you get it done, but said it'd make it a lot easier in the weeds.
Does this have the removal? Oh, it does have the removal.
Yep, so we can take them off.
People in there snack her in. Don't you send it to her.
Don't you?
We bought this at auction for $11 like 3 or 4 years ago, and it ran fine from day one. But now it's starting to have issues. And when I took it apart, there's no intake gasket. It literally is bare metal. So we'll get an intake gasket made, and this is going over into the ultrasonic cleaner. I'm gonna get it cleaned off and maybe put it back together. I'm still thinking if I should go ahead and pull the cylinder head and do decarbon it and put a new gasket on. I don't know yet, but let's get this done at least first. Alright, we'll let this dry, and I'm going to pull the cylinder head off and decarbonate the everything. So let's get to work on that. Alright, so check out this carbon buildup on this. Look at that. Big old chunks. And the head gasket is blown. You can see it right there. And I'm gonna pull out the spark plug, but I'm gonna try sticking this whole cylinder head into the ultrasonic cleaner. And then I'll be cleaning this up. Oh, you know what this is? That's the intake gasket. Heck, what the heck? That's what that is. That ain't pieces of this is pieces of carbon, but the rest is pieces of the intake gasket. It pulled the intake gasket. I don't even want to know. Alright, let's get to cleaning. We're gonna give it about an hour, guys, and we'll come back and check it. Alright guys, I guess this video is gonna be even shorter than I thought it was gonna be because I don't have a head gasket in stock. So I guess this is gonna be the end of the daily vlog for today. Sorry guys, for today. Because I gotta get ready for Small Engines Saturday, 8 p.m. Central Time tonight. You know, every Saturday live stream. So I'm gonna order that gasket. I got all that cleaned off of there. Got that all cleaned up. Look at that cylinder head. And yeah, I'm gonna get this old chiller fixed going for my mom. And anyway, I'm gonna go enjoy some family time and get ready for the live stream and eat some food. And anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow I'm going kayaking. I'll try to get some clips there. I don't know about that. I'm gonna try to. But anyway guys, I will see y'all tomorrow in the next one. Or tonight in the live stream. Either way. Later guys.